Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove watermark from any video. So as you can see here, I have a video that has a watermark on it. In order to remove watermark from a video, you need a Windows or Mac computer with active internet connection. And after that, you need a software called iMiPhone Mark Go. You can get the software from Google. This software is also available for Mac users. So just download and install the software into your computer, and after installing, open it up. Next, click on remove video watermark. Click on this blue button to add your video. Once your video is added, this software gives you two options to remove watermark from the video. The first option is AI removal, which is automatic process, and the second option is manual removal. So in my case, I'm going to go with the first option. After that, click on remove now. Next, tap on your watermark name in this box. Type whatever is written in your video in this box. In my case, as you can see, the watermark name is Shutterstock. Just type it here. After that, click on next. After that, the software will start removing watermark from your video. Remember, this process will take time as it uses AI to remove watermark from your video. So this process will take around 5 to 10 minutes. So you have to be patient. Once the watermark is removed, you can preview the video by clicking on this button. As you can see, now there is no watermark, and also this software has removed the watermark without blurring the actual video. So to export this video, just click on export now and wait for the software to export your video. After exporting the video, this software gives you option to preview the file. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.